Hi everyone, welcome to Multi-Gurus Minyak Review Class with Chef Alit. We gonna do cooking special dishes from Bigo restaurant.
Dry noodle or mee goreng. Anyway, you can try at home. This is very simple recipe. This is egg noodles. This is chive. This is garlic. This is long chive. This is chicken egg. This is Chinese cabbage. This is carrot. This is red chili. This is chicken breast. This is soya sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sweet soya, pepper, white, salt. We make the chopped garlic. Okay, now chicken, Chinese cabbage, Nigerian carrot, long chive, and then noodle. This sauce,
Smells
okay,
good.
sesame oil, sweet soya, pepper, and then of course this is salt. Okay, now you can try.
Okay, now we can try our special Bigo mee goreng or fried noodles.
Too yummy.
Delicious. Thank you so much for watching our cooking class session and stay home, stay safe.